Okay, so I'm just going to type into the top here, shopwithmyrep.co.uk, and show you how to do a return. So we're just going to log in. It's already saved my login details and off we go. So I'm going to pick rep site. And like I said before, mine will look slightly different because I'm a team builder, but you're going to go to the section where you can see credits, okay? So clicking on credits, we go here and we can see some invoices. If the one that you're looking for isn't there, click display all invoices. If the invoice is shown, then you are able to do a credit. So you can go back 3 months to do a credit, okay? I'm just going to click on this first one and say that this first item is the one that I want to return. So what we can see is the campaign that I ordered it in, the product number, and I need to tell Avon how many I want to return. So you can see here, I ordered 2 of these, so I could just return 1 of them or 2 of them. You can see the price that it was in the book and how much Avon charged me for it. Now, so let's just say I want to return one of these. So I'm going to type a 1 in this box, and then I need to put in a reason code. And you've got all these different codes up here. So let me just say that it arrived too late, number 67. Click on number 67. Do any others that I want to and click save credits. Okay, I can then go back to the previous page, and if I wanted to, I could go into a different invoice. Let's go into this invoice here, and I could select something in here and add that to my credits if I wanted to. So you don't just have to use one invoice. Okay. So once I'm happy here, I could also just put the product number in here. I don't know if I can type yep, so I can put PJ in and it'll bring up all the different pyjamas that we've got here that I could return. When I'm happy that I've put all of the items in that I want to return, I'm going to press the continue button and I'm going to press submit to Avon. Once I've done this, I cannot change. Whenever you press submit to Avon, you can't change it. So submit to Avon. And that's me telling them that I've got that credit. Now I need to print out the paperwork. I need to take a note of the barcode. So I'm going to go to order tracking. And in order tracking, you will see there's a returns form. Okay. So I don't have to look and find out what it is because it's the only things that's got the returns form. If I click on that, this barcode is a really important bit, okay? So I can just press print and I can print it. If you don't have a printer, please write down this number here beneath the barcode. Make sure that all of the information that's on here, you write down on a piece of paper. That barcode is really important. It links it to you. Once you've done that, what we're going to do is package up your return, okay? You're going to put a copy of this inside the return and you're going to keep a copy of this for yourself, okay? And then all we're going to do is we are going to go to every. I find them really easy. Every. Really, really easy to do returns. So super easy. Just on their website, click on return. You're going to put Avon in here. You'll see Avon Cosmetics comes up. Click on Avon. It is then going to ask for your order ID, and you're just going to put your account number in as your order ID. Pop your email address in. Can't talk and type. Press continue. Why are you returning? So they, I did arrive too late, didn't I? So I'll put that on there again. And then I can send it to a parcel shop. I can do a locker drop, or what I always pick is a courier collection. Come to my house and pick it up. Now you do need a printer for this because you'll need to print out the return label. So again, if you don't have a printer, you can use your local parcel shop drop off and print the label at that shop. Okay, really easy. Just follow the instructions. Super easy.